Looking for the ultimate smart dash cam for your car? Meet the OBDPEAK K8 Pro, an advanced 11.3-inch touchscreen dash cam that redefines in-car tech. With stunning 5K ultra-clear recording, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in GPS, this is more than just a dash cam, it's a full smart driving assistant. Powered by a next-generation intelligent chip platform and a high-resolution camera module, the K8 Pro captures every detail, day or night. Its independent image processing chip ensures industry-leading night vision clarity, even in low-light conditions. The 11.3-inch touch display offers 30% more screen area than standard models, with a QLED-like vivid display and smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're navigating or watching a playback, the image is sharp, the colors are rich, and every interaction is seamless. Connect your phone wirelessly via CarPlay or Android Auto, and enjoy full-screen navigation, voice calls, audio, and more. No cables, no hassle, just tap, connect, and drive. Need reversing assistance? With the optional Rearview camera, the K8 Pro switches automatically to a full-screen backup view when you shift into reverse. It's a lifesaver in tight spots and bad weather. Its high-fidelity audio output ensures crystal-clear sound via Bluetooth, AUX, or FM transmission, whichever works best for your setup. This smart dash cam even supports wireless screen mirroring, real-time GPS tracking, and in-app video download for easy sharing or insurance proof. From automatic brightness control to cinematic lens clarity, the K8 Pro has it all. If you want one of the smartest and most powerful dash cams of 2025, the OBDPEAK K8 Pro is the upgrade your car deserves.